and welcome back to a new video from me. And today we are doing our Allure Beauty Box for the month of May. I'm so excited to dive into this box this month and see everything that we got. So why don't we go ahead and get started. So backdrop is a little bit different, as you can tell. It is because I cannot get my pink backdrop stand to go up. It's on like a little lever and my husband is not home and I cannot get it to work. So I'm gonna have to wait till he gets home to have him help me fix it, but I wanted to get this video up for you because I did get my Allure Beauty Box in the mail, and I always like to film these as fast as I can. That way you guys can see what is coming this month in case you are interested. If it's your first time here on my channel, I do these unboxings every single month. I share what's inside of the Allure Beauty Box, and I talk about all the products, if I think it's a good deal or not. So this is a monthly subscription service. It is $23 a month, and we get full size as well as deluxe size samples, and I am excited to see what came for the month of May. I haven't seen any spoilers or anything, so this is going to be a true like first impressions of what's in here. Alright, so the first thing I am seeing is this Sightseer. This is a vitamin C concentrate from Wonder Beauty. This is a brand new product. I did just get this actually in PR from them, so I know that this is like new. So it's kind of cool to get such a new release in here. And this is full size, which I always like to see. So the price on this one is $42. And it has a lot of claims on this. So it's a lightweight formula that works into the skin quickly, no sticky residue. It says that it's going to supposed to help give you a brighter complexion, which is always a great thing, everything we want, right? So great that we get this in here. I love that Allure does do more skincare. I feel like they're a very heavily skincare focused box, which I appreciate. So let's go ahead and grab the next product in here. This is from, what is this? Pulpris Light, a mule. So this is from the brand XoXo. I'm not sure how to say that. But this is a Populous Light Apple. I'm not sure what that even means. Let's pull this open and see what that's about. So here's what the bottle there looks like. And I have no idea what this product is, so I'm gonna have to read about it because I can't say I've ever heard of like any of these ingredients. So it says that you can purchase this at Ulta. It retails for $28. So this says it's a heavy serum, more like a syrup, that contains pulpus extract, which is a resin that bees use to build hives. Okay, I was like, wait a second, I don't understand what this is. So it has antioxidants, flavonoids, minerals, and vitamins B, C, and E. So the serum is hydrating and it helps calm redness. Okay, interesting. I can't say that I've ever tried anything like with that type of ingredient in it. You guys will have to let me know down below if you have, but nice and good that it's also a full-size product. I do see something in here that I am familiar with that I do really enjoy. This is from Belief. It's their Moisturizing Eye Balm. This is just a deluxe size of this. I have actually went through multiple jars of this. It's a very, very nice hydrating under eye cream. I really enjoy it. I've had it in my collection for a while. And the full size of this one is $48, but I've actually had this deluxe size myself, and it's really great for travel, but also I feel like it lasts a while because this is a very emollient, thick eye cream, so a little bit goes a long way because I have used this up before, like I said, so I know I can attest to this taking a while to use, so I'm actually kind of excited about that one, and I don't mind that it's a deluxe because I like those ones for travel. Okay, and then I see something wrapped in this little thing here, so let's see what that is. I think it might be a fragrance. This is a Flower Balm, and I think I've heard of this one before, so let's go ahead and smell it. I'm gonna put a little bit out on my wrist. Ooh, that smells really nice. I like that a lot. So that is, again, Flower Balm, and this is just a small little deluxe, so I feel like you would get a lot of usage out of this one. So let's see, full price on this. I don't see it in the catalog, so that means that this is going to be one of like your signing bonuses. So anytime that I have something that's not in the book, this is the magazine that comes with every single one of your subscription boxes. If it's not in here, then that means it is like a signing bonus. They give you like an extra product, so that's what this would be this month. So if you are wanting to sign up for this box, you would receive that as a sample. And then it looks like the same thing with this. This is from Cetaphil, and it's their Sheer Mineral Face Liquid Sunscreen. Also not in the book, so I'm assuming this would be also a deluxe sample. I'm not sure because it does have a thing up for it on the back. I'm not sure if everyone gets it or not. I wish I had like more info for you guys on that, but yeah, a little sheer mineral sunscreen, so good. That's SPF 50. Okay, and then I see a product in here from Josephine, and this is a lip powder. Okay, it says it's a natural matte lipstick. Very pretty packaging. Look at the packaging. I love how it like fades like that. Very cute. Okay, so it's a liquid lipstick, so it does have applicator here. It is a red. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Oh my, that is gorgeous. Look at that. I love, love, love that color. I personally haven't tried like this brand before, but it kind of reminds me of the, what is that brand called? The Clo de Play de Plo. I want to say something like that, but I know that's not right. But this kind of reminds me of like that packaging. And this is a liquid lipstick. Again, it's $30. And that is the retail price on this one. I think it's a pretty color. I actually like that it's a red. I feel like I love reds in the summertime, so I'm going to get used out of that one, I'm sure. Okay, and then next in here we have from Augustine's Batter. This is a rich cream. And it looks like this is also a deluxe size. I am personally not familiar with this brand myself, but here's what it looks like. Just a little one here. It says apply to dry, cleanse skin, morning and evening. So it looks like it's just gonna be a moisturizer. Full price on this one is $265. Holy moly, that is an expensive cream. So it says it's dense, a little goes a long way, one pump in the morning and the night. So it does say here that it's going to be smoothing, brightening, hydrating, and soothing. So that actually sounds really nice, but it is pretty small. It does say a little bit goes a long way, so maybe this will last us a while, but it's just like a tiny little one. But that's an expensive cream, so that better do something great to my skin. And I still see a couple more things in here. So we have from Shangpree? I'm so bad at these names, you guys, I'm sorry. This is the Spa Care System, and it looks like these are the Gold Black Pearl Eye Masks. So some under eye masks. I love using these to help just like rejuvenate the eyes, and that is great for this. So I think this just comes with one pack in here, and these are like a Korean beauty brand. So it looks like the full size is $42 for 60 of them. So you are just getting like one pair in there, but a great way to try them out. And then we have still one more thing in here. So I feel like this is a pretty good box. We have from Dashing Diva. These are their Ultra Shine Gel Palette Nails, and I've actually had this exact set before, and I can tell you that these actually work really well, surprisingly. Like, I was skeptical myself, but I had this exact same one, and you can put these on your nails and they will last a while. Like, I think mine lasted, like a week and a half when I had them on, and they're pretty easy to apply. So that is everything in my box this month. So we did get the nail set, we got the perfume, but I believe this is just like a signing bonus. We got the sunscreen, we have the full-size liquid lipstick, which I do really like this color. It's drying down nicely too, so it looks like it'll be a nice formula. We got that full-size Wonder Beauty serum. I know this retails for $42 alone, so if you were eyeing this one, the box is only $23. That's a great deal with this one. And then we did have this other full-size serum as well with the bee stuff in there. I'm not sure how I feel about this one, but I'll try it out and see how it is on the skin. It probably is amazing. And then we also had the smaller one of the Belief Eye Cream, which I really love this one. And then we had the moisturizer as well, and this was just the deluxe size too. So actually, I mean, normally I feel like I'm pretty critical of these boxes because they are $23 and we do get a lot of deluxe sizes, but I'm not mad at this month's box. I think it was actually pretty good for everything that we did get. We did get a lot of skincare in there. I like that they included the lipstick as well. I think it was a pretty good value if you are looking to sign up for this box. I will have the link down in my description box to do so. Laura does send these over to me, but I'm no way obligated to like share them or anything like that. So I always just do these because you guys enjoy them. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want me to continue to do them. And also go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.